Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Movers. Ashland local and long-distance movers near me. Ashland's local 3 movers are dependable and efficient at reasonable rates. We can make your relocation inside Ashland hassle-free, allowing you to focus on settling in and enjoying everything the city offers. Moving a long distance may be both exhilarating and worrisome, especially when leaving behind a quaint place like Ashland, Massachusetts. You'll need the knowledge of a professional long-distance mover, like Ashland Long Distance 3 Movers, to ensure a smooth transition, whether moving to a new city within the state or relocating to a different state entirely. Ashland Long Distance Movers is a trustworthy and fast-moving business specializing in long-distance relocations. They have the knowledge and equipment to manage long-distance removals, ensuring adequate packing, loading, and transporting of your items to your new home. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Ashland moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.